I got my first real six string, bought it at the five and dime. Played it. Hello guys, it's Moment Tech again here. Today I'm here with new and interesting topic. So today I'm gonna show you how to make your Android as a web server. How to run your Android as a web server. So let's get started. So at first you have to download this BitWeb server app from the link in the description. This is pro version. I have put down the link. So download that link from download this app from the link in the description, and after downloading open this app. So here you can see the some settings. So if you want to run your website as a in a web server, then you have to follow up some settings. At first you can see your setting button, preferences, go there and go on general. You have to change some settings at first. So here you can see lock Wi-Fi, keep Wi-Fi active when web server running. Click on this. Lock screen, keep screen on. Click on this, and so click this all button like this. So go to the back and back. Here you can see web server. Click here on. After while doing this on, your web server has been started. And change one setting guys that I'm gonna tell you. This you can see here, config light PD. Open this and here you can see the port number. So you can change the port number. I will put as like this, and you can change the web route also. So I am not doing this. So after this, here you can see the local host in the SS web section. Click on this and open once. So here you can see the local host, this new directory, new link. So here you can see the some index files. So I have not put down my website index files in the folder www. So it is showing like this. So copy and paste all your uh, website file, or you can see index files of website to the folder www and paste here all the demo files. Okay, I paste down my website file here, and after pasting here, go again here and restart your web server and click on this localhost and open in Chrome. It will take some time guys. So check out your some settings. It is okay. Index.html. Close this and start your server again and go to localhost. Here you can see my website is hosted freely here with my Android device. Here you can see this is demo page by Mobile Tech. In the link localhost and port number 8008. So here you can see this is a demo page by Mobile Tech. So this is my demo page. So for this tutorial, so I have put down this. So you can, so like in this way you can run your Android as the web server. So you can change the one setting also for here you can see web root. You can click another directory also for your mm, files. So I put and copy paste on the www directory of internal storage of my index files. So I am running from that same folder. So you can run your website from your Android device also. Uh, you can run your Android as a web server also, like in this way. So if you like my video, here you can see my port number is 8008. You can see. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, hit like button if you like this video. So this much for today, guys.